I don't know about you, but I couldn't stand the bad jokes about my baldness anymore. What's up, guys? This is John, and today I want to tell you about my experience with FoliPrime. So, if you've ever been called bald, mosquito, airport, hairless, and other things, most likely you understand me and know how bad it is to be ridiculed for losing your hair. In addition, you also know that this affects our self-esteem and even our masculinity a lot. It was exactly for this kind of thing that I decided to test FoliPrime, and if you are looking for an answer if this product works, I'll tell you that it's unbelievable and really works. But in addition to explaining why it works and a little of my experience, I want to give you a very important alert right now, so watch it until the end so you don't lose your money buying in the wrong place. It is not new to any American that excellent products that really solve enormous pains of human beings are hidden by the media, but thanks to internet democracy it is almost impossible to hide forever wonderful solutions such as FoliPrime. A coworker told me about the product and gave me the official link. He sees my suffering from others making fun of my face because of my baldness and decided to help me because in the past he also went through it. He knew that all I wanted most was to regain my freedom, have healthy hair with, and finally get rid of the constant appearance of pity, laughter, and bad jokes. I was very surprised at how quickly the product arrived at my house after I ordered my first kit. I started using it the way the manufacturer suggests on the website, for at least 60 days, which is even the warranty time of the product. That is, I had nothing to lose. Now pay attention to what I'm going to say at this point. In just 30 days, I've already had an incredible result. The entrances to my head began to be filled with new hair and the volume at the top of my head began to become more forceful. Not only that, my hair was more beautiful. I can't even explain for sure, but it looked softer and at the same time much stronger. So, my friends, FoliPrime really works. I say this because I have already tried some other well-known products on the market and none of them had an effect. I was about to give up, and if it weren't for my friend to give this information to me, maybe today I wouldn't even be recording this video for you. Even this is one of the real reasons why I'm recording this video, helping men like me who suffer daily from infamous jokes. You may be wondering, but is this product contraindicated for any occasion? Is it approved by the regulatory institutions? Do you have a guarantee? The answer is simple: yes, yes, and yes. Abandoning baldness and regaining your self-esteem is very simple and easy with FoliPrime. But pay close attention. There are many people who are taking advantage of the success that the product has made. They advertise links on sites such as Amazon, eBay, and others and sell you a counterfeit product. That's why it's very important that you pay attention and just bought it on the official website that I'm leaving here in the description of this video and also in the comments. Without doing so, you will not be entitled to a 60-day warranty and not even the massive discounts that only the official manufacturer offers. It is also not guaranteed that you will have the producer and original if you make the purchase elsewhere. If you still have questions, go to their website and see how your life can really change using FoliPrime and how you can get back the joy and security of leaving home without becoming a joke. I sincerely hope that this video helps you or someone you love to have a new life. I did it and you can do it too. Good luck.